Hello, my name is Aishi Kedia, a graphic designer and illustrator at The Graphic Kolkata. With our lives running like bullet trains, we often tend to look for the quickest possible ways to get our jobs done. So today, we will learn how to create custom shortcuts on Illustrator. Without further ado, let's get started. Once you learn this software fluently, you will be needing to become fast and more efficient. And one of the best ways of doing that is by using keyboard shortcuts. If you scroll on the menu options, you will notice there are a lot of shortcut options already programmed. One of which I have been using currently is the Gaussian blur shortcut. Now that I have added one according to my convenience, so that instead of going all the way to the effects section to blur and Gaussian blur, I would rather click to Command or Control and press B. It is really worth your time to create custom shortcuts so that you can get to it quickly without having to scroll through the menu. So let's create one, let's say for expand option. To start with, I'm gonna go to Edit, then Keyboard Shortcuts. You could also click Shift Command Option and K or Shift Control Alt and Key if you are using Windows. Now I will select Tools from the drop down option, which will show us the default shortcut options. From here now I'll go to Menu Command Options, then go to Object, Expand. Now you can click on the little box where you want to add the shortcut and just fill in the space with your new shortcut by clicking the keys itself. Here, let's take Command A or Control A. But if it's something that Illustrator has already assigned to another option, it is gonna give you a pig alert at the bottom as you see this one. So you can't use it for your shortcut. Now let's just delete this and see if we can find a new one. For example, I write Command or Control E. So it automatically fills it and we are all set. So now my shortcut for the expand option is Command or Control E. Now you can see there's a font style on my artboard. I will use the Command E option to expand it. And it's expanded. Yes, it's the one which will save quite a lot of time in long run. You can also follow the same process in Photoshop for creating your own custom keyboard shortcuts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned and keep learning with more such tutorials with Team Graphy. Until next time, bye bye.